Good morning, Max, and happy birthday. Please rate it on a scale from 1 to 10.
5.
Max?
Alice, jeg er virkelig ked af det på din vej. Vi kan ikke udbetale livsforsikring, hvis vi ikke er 100% sikre på, at din mand, at Arthur, er død.
My name is Otto Dinesen. I hereby confirm that I, and with assistance of this hotel, have decided to take my life.
Er videoen ikke bevis nok i sig selv?
Vi bliver nødt til lige at undersøge lidt nærmere.
This is the Hotel Aurora. Your request has now been approved. Your decision can no longer be cancelled.
So, what were we supposed to talk about around here?
Maybe not the future.
Circle of Life is our most popular burial. You're not allowed to be here. I don't want to.
It's Arthur.
I really need to see Lærke again.
It's not an option, Max. The clock's ticking. You can go, but you can't escape.